Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display username in admin order list in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in order section and we are going to display customer username. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are going to create new column. So this is our column name, username. So you can add column name according to your requirement. So scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order section. Now refresh the page. Now you see username section. So this is our customer username. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.